Pondo alo, Sadi Salido alo, Ninglabapia. So, welcome to our 10 lessons for Bali Padaka. So, Patamazo, Yeriro, Bali Padaka, Chicken Bali Padaka, Batamadan, Segumia Singani, Piano to the Lake Padapia. So, firstly, and I have a question for you, and where you come from? Where you come from? So, Pondo Begani, Pondo Yesadika, Beale, no Beani, nothing. Where you come from? So, I come from Ninja, and it's a I come from Ninja. So, Pierre Ninja Manilare. So, what is your native town? Is Ninja. So, go ye, Muye Satika Begalasi, Pierre Ninja Pipia. So, my family live in Ninja. So, today let's talk about our family. Everyone has their own family. That's right. Everyone has their own family. So, Pierre Ye, Didi Ma, Ko Ye, Ko Bai, Midazu, Shir. Now, today let's talk about the family. So, family. So, this is a family tree. This is a family tree, and which might have, let's say, your grandfather or grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, sister, brother, me, cousin, brother or cousin, sister. So, family lo pyo lai ta ne. So, lu tu tayaw chin si dan ye family members matu nai mu. And like I have 8 family members. I have 8 family members. My parents, my 3 elder sisters, and my 2 elder brothers, and me. So, so, tomorrow, like grandfather and grandmother. So, grandfather and grandmother means that a po and a boa. A po ne a boa, no? So, grandfather and grandmother. So, father, mother. Some people might have a grandfather and grandmother. Maybe some people, they don't have a grandfather and mother because they pass away or something like that. So, the children maro o pashi down she nine, children maro o pale, she jamana she living on the laws that I may don't yaris alone, take each other. So, father, mother. So, next one, angle. This is angle. Angle means that your label, no? Angle so the verb label. So ule. Macharo ule. That's it. Angle. So next one, and. And this is a door. A door. Tamamoi anti. Tamamaye is ka ko ya tu a mimu for it. Anti ule badwe. Nyai correct. So angle and. So sister, 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 sister. So ama le phit nai ne, nyima le phit nai ne. So like if we want to say a sister who is bigger than you, and you can say that elder sister, elder sister. So elder sister. So aji so elder sister. So, ama younger sister. So here, brother, is as same as like sister. So, elder brother, younger brother, me, chano, bono, Tomasino to a chanoatima. So, Tuma, a kutia, matia, that being out who appear me. Ule a doye being a poor boy, she to be a mitazuma. So cousin, brother here. So Yaujali surrender, cousin, brother. Cousin, brother means that the one way, poor, not the one way mambo around Goluya. So cousin sister, cousin sister. So cousin brother or cousin sister. So the one way apo, the one way nima. Not so look at that family tree. How many family members does she has? Tuma piaru mitazu win beneo she is. How many family members does she has? Tuma mitazu win beneo she is. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So including her, she has 11 family members. So 8 kamali apawan so yin tuma mitasu sataya shiye. So let's practice those again. So grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, sister, brother, cousin brother, cousin sister. So sometimes, we just say father or mother. Sometimes if we wanna find out both, then we say parents. Parents, so parents, so grandparents, grandparents. Grandparents, parents, so so ama aji elder sister, ako ji elder brother, so ange younger sister, younger brother. So tawangwe cousin sister, cousin brother. So let's read this paragraph. So let's read this one. So the first one. Look at the first one. We are family, father, mother, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, and me. I already mentioned in that family tree, she has 11 family members in her family. So here we are room say out let your company 9 9 out let your company 9 she out on the show let me doesn't the so I will read that again. We are family, father, mother, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, and me. So look at the second lines. Families can be big and families can be small. I think mine is the best of all. The show me does it or does it G if the show me does it met to ye, me does it to a caro, council made, no? Okay, next one. The last one. Friends can be short and friends can be tall. My heart is big enough to hold them all. So there we go. So the book, student book, page number. So page number 35, 36 ma. I saw somebody pare. Araliu. Pata angu. There we go. Jini ma. Shape yatara pite. So there we go. Sani piame. We are family, father, mother, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, and me. So second sentence. Families can be big and families can be small. I think mine is the best of all. Next one. Friends can be short and friends can be tall. My heart is big enough to hold them all. So this sentence တွေကလွယ်တယ်ပေါ့နော်တငယ်ချင်းတွေမှာဆိုလည်းတူတူပဲတငယ်ချင်းတွေမှာအရက်ပူတဲ့တငယ်ချင်းရှိမယ်အရက်ရှိတဲ့တငယ်ချင်းရှိမယ်ဒါပေမဲ့သူကဘာဖြစ်လဲနှလုံးသားကြီးတဲ့သူဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့เนาะသူတို့အတွက်သူတို့เนาะဘယ်လိုပြောရမလဲတစ်ချက်တည်းပေးနိုင်တဲ့သူဖြစ်တယ်ပေါ့အဲ့ဒါမျိုးလေးသူကကြပြပုံစံလေးရေးပေးထားတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဗျာဆိုတော့အဲ့တော့ reading ကိုတိုးတက်အောင်လည်းဖျားပြီးတော့ဒီစာပိုက်လေးတွေဖတ်ထားလို့ရတယ်ဆိုတော့မဖြစ်မနေလုပ်ရမယ့်အလုပ်တစ်ခုကတော့ topic တစ်ခုမှာတပြည့်တော့ beginners ဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက် topic တစ်ခုမှာ vocabulary လေးတွေကိုလေ့လာထားရမယ်ကြည့်ထားရမယ်စလုံးပေါင်းထားရမယ်စာကြောင်းတူတူလေးတွေဖတ်တတ်ရပါမယ်ဗျာဆိုတော့ this is the end of our lesson for today and see you next lesson thank you so much ကျေးဇူးများတင်ပါတယ်ဗျာ